The bull market is back. I've been waiting for this moment. My followers that have been trading with me for a while have been waiting for this moment as well because, yes, I get to finally dust off some of my favorite trading strategies for a bull market. The one we're going to go over today is called a top shelf trade. Now, I might have named it after one of my favorite top shelf drinks, Macallan, who does not like that after a long week of trading, but also because essentially we're looking for a shelf in our charts. And I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about with the demonstration being Bank of America. We're going to make some bank on Bank of America. So essentially, we are looking for a shelf, a confluence area of support. And what that gives us is the path of the least resistance to the upside. So what you need to do this trade is number one, you need to have the volume profile on your screens. You can see my volume profile is right on the right side here. You also need your 200-day moving average, your 50-day moving average, and your 21-day moving average, the holy trinity of averages. Next, we need to identify that shelf. Now, some charts aren't going to have it, but BAC happens to be a great example. We don't have the 200-day moving average. That's all the way down here. However, right around our point of control in our volume profile, that's your first support. You also have your 50-day, that's the red line, and the 21-day. That is creating a tougher shelf, tougher support for price to break. So the tougher the support is, the harder it is to break. And as I mentioned before, the path of the least resistance is therefore not to the downside. You have a bunch of resistance to the downside. It is to the upside. So when you can identify a top shelf trade like here, there are two strategies. You can buy calls or you can buy shares of stock knowing that there's so much support, we're going to have this thing rip. Or if you like to sell premium or sell puts, you have identified an extraordinary area of support. It's going to be hard to break that area, and you can go and collect your premium without ever getting stock addressed or assigned to you. So that is a top shelf trade. Now, I have configured a signature scanner to hunt for trades just like this. So if you don't want to do the due dilly and you want to see what I'm trading, you could sign up for our free newsletter, Trading Today. We'll make sure to drop that link, and we send out a free watch list 2 times a week. So you can take advantage of that. Another example of a top shelf trade is in Unity. This one had amazing support at the point of control on the volume profile, and it had that additional support or that confluence area of support with its moving averages. Now, I already traded this one in my service, tradetoclose.com. We leveraged this with options and already made over a 50% gain overnight. There are so many ideas out there that I'm always on the hunt. I'm ready for the next one. If you do want to trade or try our service, tradetoclose.com, we offer a free 7-day trial. We trade not only in a passive portfolio with these overnight trades, but we also live day trade as well at the end of the day. So it's lots of fun, and we'd love to see you there. If you see any upside potential in Bank of America or Unity, let me know in the comments.